Okay, here we go. So we're going to get in here and we're going to grind this off. But again, I got my t-shirt in place. I'm holding it with a clamp. I just got it laid there so it'll take the stuff and trap it instead of bouncing it back in my face since I'm grinding into a corner. And I got a towel down and I put a couple clamps to keep it solid so it ain't bouncing around on me. Just always think ahead. Think about the best way you can do this. I'm doing it in open air. There's no gas cans. There's nothing on the shelves that's got flammables on it. So let's get this thing out and I'll show you a trick on the vise. Some way of thinking around it to get them bolts out once I get this ground. Okay, see the problem? Well, this is not that big of a deal. Okay. This is pretty simple. We're just gonna put this in the vise and we're gonna back it out from this side. So I'll show you how it's done. Okay, my son is gonna enjoy this because I didn't have a vise for years. He bought that for me for Christmas. So, all right, so here's the deal, is that basically we're just on the threads that were sticking out on that bracket and we're just gonna work it back and forth a little bit, and it's going to pop off a couple times, but you're going to have to get on there tight, and we're basically just going to work it out this way. Hey, if you're still here and you're watching, hit that subscribe button, like, share, and subscribe to this. Help support the channel. See, that's old body filler. I don't know why that's in there, but that's what we're taking off. We're getting it down to, see how it's shining up? We're getting all that surface rust out of here. Then we'll shoot some primer on it and we'll go from there. But this is just the process of doing this. Now this is just an old wheel that I had laying around that had been sitting in the garage for 20 years. And I probably need to get some new ones, some decent ones. I definitely need to get one for the 4-inch grinder. Pretty aggressive one for the sides of the bed to knock that rust down. But this is basically what we're doing. We're knocking off all the surface to seal it so that it's protected for the future. I'm going to have to dolly this. This is a dent. I'm going to have to work with this to get this back out where it's supposed to be. And then I'll have to tack this to get this back again. And I'll have to dolly a little bit here because there's a dent here. And there's a little indentation because of the dent. So I'll have to do a little work there. But all in all, this is going to turn out nice. And it's just a matter of cleaning it, protecting it for the future. But I'm going to hack at this a little bit more, then I'm going to shoot with some primer and call it a day. I'm tired. So it's been a productive day. But it ain't over yet. We got a long way to go. But this is, right here, this is why we take this apart. This is surface that I need to basically wire wheel down or seal it off, because it's just sitting there rusting, and sooner or later that's going to start forming holes and that's going to be a problem. So I want to stop that from happening. So we're going to do some cleaning, some scraping, some wire wheeling, and see if we can get this down and Maybe I'm going to do one thing I ain't never done before. I'm thinking about investing in a Pour 15 kit and seeing what that does with that. I ain't never used it, but they say it's great stuff. I think I'm going to try it. I'm going to try a small kit on a small spot and see what it does. If you're still here, give me one of these. Like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Because a great day today can be another fun day like this one was. Y'all be good.